In today's fast-paced digital world, staying connected has never been more important. As the social media landscape continues to evolve, we at Instagram are committed to providing our users with innovative tools that enhance communication and foster meaningful interactions. Introducing Instagram Threads, a dedicated messaging app designed to bring you closer to your closest friends. Threads mark a significant shift in how we think about online communication, moving beyond the limitations of traditional social media platforms. It's about fostering genuine connections with the people who matter most, creating a more intimate and engaging social experience. Threads recognize the importance of close friendships in our lives and provide a dedicated space for nurturing these bonds. Imagine a world where you can instantly share snippets of your day with your best friends, effortlessly coordinating plans, and staying in the loop on each other's lives. That's the power of Threads. It's about fostering a sense of belonging and shared experiences, even when you're physically apart. Threads is more than just another messaging app. It's a testament to our commitment to innovation and our dedication to providing our users with the tools they need to connect authentically and meaningfully. Join us as we explore the exciting possibilities of Threads and discover how it's shaping the future of online communication. Instagram Threads is a standalone messaging app deeply integrated with your Instagram account. It's built for sharing text updates, photos, videos, and stories with your close friends list on Instagram, offering a more private and focused social networking experience. Threads streamline communication, allowing for quick and easy sharing with the people you care about most. Unlike traditional messaging apps, Threads focuses on intimacy and ease of use. The app automatically shares your status, making it effortless for your friends to know what you're up to and if you're available to connect. This feature fosters a sense of presence and allows for more spontaneous interactions. Threads is designed for those who crave a more personal connection with their close circle of friends. It's for sharing inside jokes, spontaneous adventures, and everyday moments, strengthening the bonds that make friendships special. Whether you're coordinating a night out, sharing a funny meme, or simply checking in, Threads provide the perfect platform for staying connected with the people who matter most. In essence, Threads is about fostering a sense of belonging and shared experiences within your closest circle of friends. It's about creating a space where you can be yourself, share your authentic self, and deepen connections that matter. It's a testament to the power of friendship and the importance of staying connected in our increasingly digital world. While numerous messaging apps flood the digital landscape, Threads differentiates itself through its unique features and seamless integration with Instagram. Here's how Threads stand out from the crowd. Close friends focus. Unlike other messaging apps that cater to a broad audience, Threads focuses solely on your Instagram close friends list. This creates a more intimate and curated experience, ensuring you only connect with those who matter most. Auto status updates. Threads automatically update your status based on your activity, letting your friends know if you're available to chat or busy. This feature promotes spontaneity and allows for more real-time interaction. Seamless Instagram integration. Threads seamlessly integrate with your Instagram account, allowing you to share stories, photos, and videos directly from your Instagram camera roll. This streamlines the sharing process and enhances the visual appeal of your conversations. Privacy at its core. Threads prioritize privacy, giving you complete control over who sees your status and how they can reach you. You can customize your privacy settings to ensure your conversations remain exclusive to your chosen circle. Section 4. Threads in Action: Real-World Examples. The impact of Threads is best understood through real-life examples that showcase its versatility and practicality. Here's how people are using Threads to enhance their lives. Staying connected on the go. Imagine a group of friends planning a weekend getaway. With Threads, they can effortlessly share destination ideas, coordinate travel arrangements, and share their excitement in real time, making the planning process smooth and enjoyable. Sharing everyday moments. Threads provide the perfect platform for sharing everyday moments with your closest friends. Whether it's a photo of your morning coffee, a funny observation, or a quick update on your day, Threads make it easy to stay connected and share the little things that make life special. Building stronger bonds. For friends separated by distance, Threads help bridge the gap by providing a constant line of communication. Sharing inside jokes, reminiscing about shared memories, and supporting each other through life's ups and downs helps maintain a sense of closeness despite physical distance. Spontaneous hangouts. With Threads' auto status feature, it's easier than ever to see who's available for a spontaneous hangout. Whether it's grabbing a quick coffee or catching a movie, Threads streamline the process of connecting with friends in real time. Section 5. The future is threaded, a glimpse ahead. As we look to the future of Instagram Threads, we envision a world where connecting with your closest friends is effortless, meaningful, and more accessible than ever. Threads have the potential to transform how we communicate, fostering deeper connections and enriching our social lives. We are committed to continuously evolving Threads, adding new features and functionalities that empower our users to connect in more meaningful ways. We envision a future where Threads seamlessly integrate with other aspects of our digital lives, further blurring the lines between the online and offline worlds. Threads represent a significant step forward in social media, prioritizing privacy, intimacy, and authentic connections. As we continue developing and refining Threads, we invite you to join us on this exciting journey and experience the future of communication. The possibilities are endless, and we are excited to see how Threads will continue to shape the way we connect, communicate, and build relationships in the years to come. Welcome to the future of friendship. Welcome to Instagram Threads.